ต้องไปจับมือแบบนี้จับอย่างนี้หมาไม่ชอบจะจับมือพอแล้วมันจะไปไหนจะจับมืออย่างเงี้ยจะจับมืออย่างเงี้ยจะไปไหนบ้างจับมือไปจับมือพอแล้วลงไม่เอา
So we are in Chiang Mai at Elephant Nature Park. We're visiting Kun Lek and her little babies, the small ones. Hello. Hey guy. Yeah, we just had an elephant did a big fart in the face. Look at that. Feeding time.
I have to lead them or else they don't go.
Oh, the elephant don't go? Okay, I'm being chased. I'm being chased by I'm being chased by big elephants. Wait, wait. They just said wait. Yeah, they have also 400 dogs here, and they have how many elephants? I don't know. Hey guys, oh don't. Hey buddy. They have what I said, 82 elephants, and they have a 9 elephants some other place. Totally like 91 in here. This is Kun Lek standing under. What's the name of that one? Kun Lek? Huh? Kamla. Wait, don't steal my phone. How many elephants you have here? Totally.
This one 15.
But in the place?
86.
86.
This
And
we have
400
this one,
dogs.
Over there. We have more down there.
Yeah, down there. Look at that. Nice place.
Only this group is only eating, hanging and eating, hanging and eating. They eat non-stop.
Oi!
And they get money.
Hey guy.
They get money.
How old is that one?
Pookie is about 50.
50?
Yeah.
My age.
Yeah, she's
He
50.
looks better than me.
Kamla only
He's
8
50.
years old.
Kamla is only 8. You're a baby.
Yeah,
What
baby,
about you?
she's getting baby.
How about you? How old are you?
Yes, money,
Huh?
love.
I don't have any elephants. I don't have any bananas for you.
Yeah, I can bring banana to them later. If I get banana, they come. You can be in the middle of them.
Hey guy.
คำเล่าไม่เอาลูกไม่เอา
Hey. Wait.
ไม่เอาลูกไม่เอา
Oh, I have a. Hey, got it. Hey, buddy. Hello. Oh no, oh dogs. Yeah, we have dogs. We did 400. They have 400 dogs also. So, hey, buddy. I'm not going into elephants now. I leave the elephant rescue for Kun Lek. I do the dogs. They asked me if I go into elephants. I said no.
อ๋อ you're alive now
I am live.
อ๋อ
Yes. This is the famous Kun Lek.
Hello
Yeah.
with my baby
Yeah, your babies. Kamala.
that one is Pookie this one Kamla
Kamala. Camera. Your name is
La
Kamala. You know her name? Camera?
Kamla is only 8 years
She's a baby?
she thinks she thinks she's a no baby she want to grab my hand and move me some she like all babies short attention baby you don't do like that okay
Come here.
don't grab hand he always grab hand direct and then take me go somewhere no maybe you can't do like that okay I'm not strong like your dad
Oh.
she want to grab
And
my
these
hand.
these elephants are rescued from the streets, most of them?
This one from street begging. She is the one that confiscate from the.
Don't have my
owners.
phone.
The owner decided for
Come
us because she's the one that is on the beach. I think if you see the famous one that's swimming in the beach, that is her. They take her away from the mother. And later, when we rescue her, we find the mother for her and
Oh, so they reunited?
yeah, they reunite. Yeah.
Wow.
The mother work for the trekking camp. She's in the street baking. And this is her mother.
Wow, you're a big. Who's this?
That is now. That's hot now.
Hot dog.
Hot now.
Huh?
Hot now.
Tat dao. And you are old?
Manao. Manao is mean lemon.
Yeah, I know that. Manao is norte.
Yeah. It's okay. She's a beautiful girl. You will see more naughty. I show you later.
Hey, baby.
Okay, we go. And then we maybe cook the pork.
Okay, we need to go here. Watch again. This is a fantastic place up in Chiang Mai. You should visit. They take volunteers. You can stay here a week. They have 400 dogs and 86 elephants. They have 400 staff. This is the guys that Saudi Cup. This is the guys that take care of them.
Yeah, that's the keepers.
Yeah, good job. Oh, they have one elephant have one caretaker. So here they roam free. They don't take them into a. They will sleep here and they stay here. So Elephant Nature Park. Elephant Nature Park. Look that up. It's a nice place. So nice. Makes you happy. Okay, we're gonna move on here. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.